Are you searching for an all-in-one cleaning solution? The Eureka E10s Robot Vacuum and Mop is here to transform the way you clean. It features 2-in-1 cleaning that vacuums and mops simultaneously and includes smart navigation that skillfully avoids obstacles while thoroughly covering every corner. Its pet-friendly design effortlessly picks up hair and debris. It automates cleaning from anywhere using its scheduled mode on mobile devices. The application enables users to establish no-go zones and track progress in real time, making it perfect for hectic lifestyles. This innovation makes cleaning smarter and simpler. This device operates for 45 days without the need for bags while effectively managing dust. It delivers thorough cleaning for both hard floors and carpets, allowing for adjustments to suit different floor types. Furthermore, it comes equipped with an auto recharge feature that offers a runtime of 180 minutes. So why delay? Click the link from the description to own this new technology to enhance your cleaning routine with the smart automated device. Continue to like our videos for more reviews like this and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.